So guys, in the previous video we have seen the purpose of this application for a performance tester. Now here we will see what is the purpose of this application in the sense, like, in the real world, who uses this application, what is this application built for. Okay, first let me sign into the application. You can sign up and you can sign up with your own username password, but if the sign up is failing, which means that the username is already taken, so try to use some other username. Okay, and all the three are mandatory fields. And by default this Isha Training Solution and the corresponding password is here, which is already stored. So you can just click on sign in, or you can sign up, and whatever the sign up username password you have signed up with, you can use that here. Okay, right now I'll go with the default one, which is, I haven't feed this information. If you see, if I just type this Isha Training Solutions, not .org, it is .com. Okay, so as soon as the application shows up, the username and password is already stored. All you have to do is just go ahead and click on sign in. Okay, then the security question is asked. Okay, so this time around it is asking a security question called mother name. So let me go to an incognito mode, and then let me log in as somebody else. Okay, so this time around, it's the second time around when I log in, the security question could be something else, which is your country. Okay, like this, and the answer is also shown here. You can just say India and then validate. Okay, so like this, every time a user logs in, his security question is different. Okay, so this time around the question is your mother's name, and the answer is also given. You just type mother. Okay, whatever the answer which is given, just type that and click on validate. And by the way, as you can see, this application, all the rights is reserved for Isha Training Solutions, and this is created by a very good friend of mine, Nanda. Okay, so here is the application once you log in. Now this application typically is built for walleting. Okay, so walleting is in, like, your wallets. Okay, so walleting. Okay, so how do you spell wallet? W-A-L-L-A-T-I-N-G. Okay, so that's what it is. So what are the popular wallets which are available in market? Paytm. Okay, I don't know, maybe PhonePe. I think anywhere where you can store the money, that's what typically a wallet is. For example, Google Pay is not a wallet because you cannot store the money. Okay, think about any wallet applications wherein you can store the money. Okay, so Paytm is obviously the popular one. Okay, I don't use wallets that much, but I'm sure there are a lot of wallets available, from Reliance and from, I don't know who all it is. So Paytm is the popular one, so let's stick to Paytm. So this application is, for example, for Paytm. Okay, let's say Paytm. Okay, Paytm is the wallet, and this application is built for Paytm. Now Kumar, that is fine. You said that application is built for a wallet company like Paytm. Okay, wonderful. So is this application for end user like you and me, or for whom? No, this is not the application for end user of Paytm, assuming that this application is now adapted by Paytm and started using it. Okay, so this is not this application is not the application for the end user of Paytm. Okay, so this application is definitely this application, okay, is not for the end user of Paytm. When I said end user, like you and me. Okay, for us, we have a Paytm app, and then we have paytm.com. Okay, so definitely this application is not for them. Okay, this application is this is more like an admin portal, for example. Okay, this is like an admin portal. For example, there are 1,000 employees, okay, working in this company called Paytm. Okay, so this is for those 1,000 employees. This application is built for those 1,000 employees so that they can manage the Paytm related activities using this portal. Okay, using this portal. It's as simple as this, buddy. So how we can use this application, or how these employees of Paytm or any validating system will use this application? What is that they can do this application? We can use that we can see that in the next video. Thanks, buddy.